Your friend around the country corner, old jawbreaker, says drop him one. Diesel mechanic, number one, diesel mechanic, jawbreaker, go. I like your perseverance, man. Ain't no shame in your game, ain't Peter Cheetah. I heard you. 2014 wave there, rascal. I don't get to speak to you much, but when I do, man, it puts a grin on my chin. Peter Cheetah, hopefully our day's going well and swell. Blessings in the new year. Hey, Peter Cheetah, Mike Noya, local boy, go. Yeah, isn't that? Oh yeah, you're welcome. He's probably reaching for the Lima. So I didn't come back, so he must have dropped the mic like it's hot and headed down the hall to pick up that Lima. Ain't no doubt about it. All right then. Hey, Peter Cheetah. Doggone number one diesel mechanic. Hey, Joe Breaker. At 427, till we do it all again, your friend out in the mighty blue. Good day to all of you. Peter Cheetah, 2014 wave there, rascal. Ain't no shame in your game. I'll see you. Bye. 427 is out of here. You're welcome. Both. I heard that jawbreaker. All right, then, Peter Cheetah, take care, man. It's good to hear. It's been a while, man. And just like old number one diesel mechanic, I hope he's reaching for the Lima to give old jawbreaker a landline. Put it on your later, Peter Cheetah. Do it again. They ought to make a commercial out of that, Peter Cheetah. I'll see you. Bye. In the corner there, son. Hey, jawbreaker. Diesel mechanic said, man, cut that out. Cut that out. And you said he is a commercial. Your friend Peter Cheetah. Not Peter Cheetah. Peter Cheetah ain't no shame in your game, man. If you ain't catching no flag, you ain't on the right track, Peter Cheetah. But hey, jawbreaker, our friend over there around the Palm Beaches of Florida says, stop breaking trees. Leave that Peter Cheetah alone. You say he a commercial. Put it on you guys later. I'm gone. Living corner. Oh, hey, who I said living corner in your collar. Hey, jawbreaker. You and Peter Cheetah and diesel mechanic got me all cracking up on this head. Take care. In living color. I like that, man. Ain't no doubt. 427 likes that too. I'm glad you are sticking up for a diesel mechanic out there in the Palm Beach. On the west side. Shame in his game, man. When he's out there, man, you gotta put on your helmet, your dog. 151. One of the old bosses on the west side. Right. Ain't no doubt about it. Put it on you later. Oh, number one diesel mechanic in the back. Oh, right back at you, Switchblade. Hey, hello to you, 151. Hey, Switchblade, good evening time to you. Hey, jawbreaker. I got thing in the mag plug on my ears talking to LB. Let me get out of LB's way. I heard that, I did. They can run, but they sure can't hide. And they better have their visa in order if they ain't crossing any border. Ain't no doubt about it. Unless they dive into the sea, the shining sea. They could avoid everybody. Hey, they sure can't ride, but they can't hide. Switchblade, the Moonlighter Mobile. Hey, Switchblade Mobile, the Moonlighter Mobile, right back at ya. Hey, Switchblade, Mobile, Moonlighter, Mobile, right back. Diesel mechanic. Oh, okay. Hey, Jawbreaker. You're hot. 410 on that, Switchblade, Mobile. You be in the Mobile Express or drop for real Mobile. Hey, Switchblade. I see this one up. Do you like it? You say you're for real? And it's for real. But you're nice. You got rubber tips on it, so you don't leave no marks. Bye.